Okay, you're welcome everyone. So today we'll be talking about how you can develop your content for Fiverr. Yeah, many of us actually have what we what we are doing, so we want to put it on Fiverr, but we need to make it more presentable. So I think what we do most times is the most important thing. Fiverr, like most importantly, that engage your customer more is videos. So today I'm going to show you how you can make videos, not only for Fiverr, for any advertisement you want to do. I will go to this where you can make an AI video. I'm giving you this. I'm giving you people this for free. So you go to in video, thought ideas so videos. This is generally just my in video, so I can just I really don't know I just know it's being video. This I just put when I put something like this, talk is slow. So you try in video, then you will log in with your own account. You can actually, if you have an account there, or if you don't have an account, you can use Google sign in for the in video. I'm just going to show you, for those who already have skills, how they can present their skills. I don't need to give it to maybe a video editor or anything. You can present it in a very nice way, and things will like people will like get to know what you do, and video is the best option. There's network issue here, so maybe we'll pause it for a while. So after you've logged in with your account, so I can use your Google, just do it directly from Google. You will see how it's going to be. So you can see there is if you check this place, this is skipping. I have issues with network. Okay, fine. So if you check this side, you will see YouTube explainer, YouTube shorts. You have yeah, recent events video. These are things you can work with, but you just gotta give them a good prompt. I think let me just move. The network is issue. I'm sorry about that. You're going to oh God. So you have network issues. Serious. So you're generating a prompt, like for example, maybe you're doing flyer design, you're a graphic designer, you're doing flyer design. You can just start, say, I is giving issue, but you can just give the prompt, be kind of detail. Maybe you are okay, maybe local design. You can just write, you do logo design, like create a video. You give him a prompt, like you give him an action to do. You create a video that explain your logo with your logo sample. I've actually done one already. I know network will fail. And you can see from the one I did here. I've actually put one here, so let it load completely. Alright, after it has generated, it will come something like this. You'll see something like this here. Then what you will do is to edit, right? Once you come to edit, you will see the words that you're going to use to sell you out. You have seen some words that can sell you out very faster. So you just change the media, kind of. Maybe you have media, maybe you can use a picture, an AI generated picture, or you can use your logo, what you have done, just to present. You can just come here, upload media, and look for the logos you've done before, and kind of put them. Maybe you are the one that did Fiverr, or you can start with Fiverr, right? You can just continue looking for making logo that you've done before. You just search. Many other things can just come and pick it here very fast. So that's it for that. So if I seem done, it will change it automatically. Uh, as you change this, so you keep on checking, checking and changing. So that's the possible way to get your content done. So I I will do them faster so that you export post the video. Okay, basically what you do after you've uploaded these images, I'm just giving a sample image. You just pick on the picture you want to replace. Definitely you are going to replace everything. For example, let's say I want to replace this guy here. You just come here, just click on it. Then you replace maybe with, you can replace with this. So you just replace, so you double click and it's already replaced. So something like that, so you can see, you can follow the script. This is just a demo. You can follow it the way the scripts are, right? You can also change the script if you wish to. You come to edit scripts and you will change whichever one resonates to what you want. You can make it, you can reduce the number of videos. I don't want to waste much time on this particular class for this, but just to add in to what we are doing. So just say apply changes. And the next thing you do is to export. You just click on export. So you can go for 720. I'm going for go for 4K, whichever. So there will be mail. So normal. Then you up. Look for what you have to do that. You don't need to upgrade. So so this is it. So you just continue. Then you download it, right? Just download. Okay, yeah, we have the video already. It's ready, so just
in a world where first impressions count, your logo speaks volumes. It's the handshake, the smile, the welcome mat of your business, inviting customers to.
Because there are a lot of ways you can generate your content uh, for Fiverr or for maybe for your presentation on Fiverr. This is one of video. If you want maybe an AI picture, you can just simply come to Bing. I don't know all these websites of it. So image creator from Microsoft, so you can just create it, or there you get a picture, you prompt him just the same way and it's going to give you the picture you're looking for. So this is just the way we can create content that can maybe entice your customers on Fiverr or whatever place you want to present your work. So that's it for now. So the next class we're going to talk about, we're going to jump into Upwork. Have a nice time.